Zizi Kid today.
Hi, I'm Google Mom.
I'm Google Gaga. I'm Zizi Kid.
And today we have
Slime Challenge! Yay!
Each person has 5 times to spin the wheel. Whatever the ingredient the wheel lands on will be the ingredient to make their slime. Let's get started. Purple glitter.
Purple glitter, yay! Okay, Gaga, you got purple glitter?
Okay, here you go, purple glitter.
Yay! Woo! That's sparkly.
That's pretty.
Very pretty.
It's
my
Mommy's
favorite color.
It is. Okay.
Okay, so my turn.
Green.
Googly eyes. Okay.
Put some in here. Okay.
Ooh, look at those eyeballs. They shaking.
Eyeballs.
It's my turn.
All right, Zizi Kid, spin the wheel, dude. Let's see what you want to receive. Purple glitter. Whoa!
Okay, Gaga, your turn. Spin the wheel again. Your second spin.
Clear glue.
Black blue.
Yeah.
I got it.
Okay, you got it?
Ooh.
Wow! That's cool.
Look at all that glue. You can barely see the glue in the bowl. It's very clear. Cool.
I like it just like that. My turn.
Slime.
Second spin.
Clear glue. Squeeze it.
Freeze it in there with the googly eyes.
Ooh, that was a nasty sound.
Yes.
It's like
So
it's
you have
started.
You have googly eyes and clear ear.
Clear glue.
Yeah.
It's sticky.
It is. That glue is very sticky, so don't touch it.
Okay, it's Zizi Kid's turn. Spin the wheel. Pink. Pink paint.
Okay.
How you
Hey, what kind of dance is that, dude?
Well, you got some colors going on there.
Yeah. Pink and purple.
Okay.
So it's
Whoa.
Goo Goo Gaga's turn. Blue glitter. Blue is your favorite color.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that.
It's like the sky.
I like that. That's a pretty blue.
It looks like a galaxy. Stars. But don't blow it, dude. You getting glitter everywhere.
You are.
All right, Goo Goo Mom, it's your turn.
My turn.
All right, pink.
Pink. Put that pink paint in there.
So you got pink paint.
Glue.
You have clear glue and googly eyes. All right. Now it's Zizi Kid's turn. Come on, dude. Stop doing your crazy dance. You think you could dance, but I don't think you could dance.
Look. Mine looks like blueberry.
Blue.
No,
Blue
you
paint.
get Blue paint.
Mine is so colorful.
There you
It
go.
is colorful. You have pink paint. You have blue paint.
Mine's disgusting.
And you have purple glitter.
And mine looks
Cool,
like
dude.
blueberry.
They're like blueberries. I don't think so, dude.
Mine
Mine
looks
looks like
pretty.
Pepto-Bismol.
Yeah, it does like Pepto-Bismol. Pepto-Bismol with googly eyes in it. Okay, guys, it's Goo Goo Gaga's turn.
Yes, I like it.
Googly eyes.
Googly eyes. Here you
I
go.
got it. Woo.
Yeah, stir it up, dude. That looks pretty awesome. Look at that.
I like the colors.
What's your turn?
Okay. Give me something good.
Glue.
Glue?
Again.
Yeah.
We're gonna have a giant slime.
I am.
And I have some. And mine looks like blueberry's eyeballs.
Yeah, blueberry eyeballs. I didn't know blueberries had eyeballs.
I didn't either.
I thought blueberries were fruit.
It is. A delicious fruit.
No, blueberries are disgusting.
Blueberries are good. They're good for your brain.
Zizi Kid, it's your turn. Spin the wheel. Come on, dude. Dude, you and these dance moves are killing me. Dude, you cannot dance. You dance like a grandpa.
Let's play the subscribe challenge. You have 5 seconds to click the subscribe button and the bell icon. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, Zizi Kid, spin the wheel.
What's it called?
Glue. Finally, dude. Whoa.
We got
It's very mesmerizing.
I wonder if your blue and pink paint is gonna come out now with the blue again.
Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Let's see.
Ooh, I see the blue paint.
Yes, I see the blue.
That's
Oh,
kind
yeah.
of bad.
Oh, it's turning more blue, didn't it?
Yeah. It looks milky. Like the Milky Way.
Yeah. Like a Barbie.
Like a Barbie.
Barbie.
I watched it on my own tablet.
You watch Barbies on your old tablet? Barbies are for girls, dude. Not for boys.
I watched it.
I hope not. Okay, Goo Goo Gaga. It's your turn.
This is our third.
Blue glitter. Woo. Ooh, that's enough. That's plenty. Man, you use all the blue glitter.
You did.
Okay.
Too much glitter.
All right, it's Goo Goo Mom's turn.
Okay, my turn.
Spin the wheel, Goo Goo Mom.
My
Green glitter. That doesn't look weird with the pink. That looks cool. It look like a girly leprechaun with googly eyes.
This isn't how I thought it was coming.
Yeah, that look like throw up.
Talk about my slime.
My turn.
Okay, Zizi Kids, your turn.
Mine just looks like.
Dude, can you stop with the dance moves? You can't dance. Dude, you trying to cheat. You gotta spin the wheel, dude.
Spin the wheel. Spin it.
Green.
That was cheating. You stopped it with your hand. You can't do that. Okay.
Try again and don't cheat again. Cheater.
Yeah.
Pink. Haha. Pink paint.
Just a little bit
Oh.
in here. Dump it on in there.
Look, it's not coming out.
There you go.
Few drops.
Ooh.
Well, wait.
Dude, you sticking pink everywhere. All right, that's enough.
The pink is just making it darker. I like
It looks like
slime.
your shirt, Google Mom.
It does. I'm twinning with your slime. Easy kid. Wait. It's time to play the like challenge. You have 3 seconds to hit the like button. In 3, 2, 1, done!
Okay, Google Gaga, spin the wheel, dude. Green. Pour. Ooh, that's cool.
Mix it up.
Mix it.
up. Mix it up.
It's very memorizing.
It is.
Mine looks ugly.
Yeah, it does. But it still look cool.
It does.
And yours looks like. And yours.
I think yours looks better than mine.
And yours looks like gross.
So mommy's.
Yeah,
Yeah, mommy does look kind of creepy looking. It looks very disgusting.
It does.
Okay, Google Mom, it's your turn.
This is my
So I think this is the last spin, right?
Blue glitter.
All right, blue glitter.
I think you used it. Okay, it's a little bit.
blue.
I was gonna say, I think this is like I used all the blue glitter. All right. It looks hairy.
Your turn, dude. Dude, you're not Michael Jackson. Stop with the dances. Okay?
Ooh, no.
No, yours even worse.
We need to get you
What is it? Googly eyes.
Go for it. Go for it. Go for it.
Eyeballs. In the slime.
I'm gonna crush you.
Why you gonna crush your googly eyes? You weird. You have 2 bonus rounds. Here you go. So it's Google Gaga spinning wheel again, dude. Purple glitter.
Again. It kind of looks like sand almost. I don't think they make blue sand though.
Quicksand.
Sure.
Like the texture of it
Yeah.
and the consistency of it.
Yes.
It's like a unicorn. It's a unicorn slime. Okay, Google Mom, it's your turn.
Blue glitter.
Blue glitter.
We're out of blue glitter.
Yes, we are. All right, spin again.
Gold
glitter.
Go glitter.
I'm about to have like a disco colored
Slime.
slime.
Go.
Ooh. Gold dust.
Go.
It's your turn.
Yeah.
Purple
Purple
glitter.
glitter.
Whoa.
Whoa.
All the glitter.
You just went for it, didn't you?
You have a Barney slime. Your slime like Barney.
Do you know who Barney is?
No.
Do you know who Barney is?
Yeah, he's the scary. He's the tonic.
What?
No, he's
No.
not animatronic. Me and
Daddy.
Daddy grew up on Barney.
Yes.
He was ready.
Big old purple dinosaur.
Yes.
What the?
We used to sing songs like I love you, you love me.
And stop. Okay, Goo Gaga, it's your turn. Activator.
Activated! So finish your song.
All right, Goo Gaga.
I love you.
Okay, good.
Okay.
All right, Goo Mama, it's your turn. Beads.
Bees!
Okay, Mom.
I'm gonna have some very festive slime.
What is these?
Bees! Alright. I have some everything in here.
Yeah, you do. All right, Zizi Kid, it's your turn,
Your
dude.
turn, Easy Kid. Spin it!
Dude, what you doing?
You're cheating over here.
Yellow paint.
Yellow paint.
My turn.
It's supposed to be yellow.
All right, pour the yellow paint.
Ew. Little girls.
It looks cool. Googly eyes.
What? I got this.
Sorry.
Sorry, that's not what you got.
Yes, I
Nope. You gotta put you some eyeballs in there.
did. It is Mommy's turn.
There you go.
Cool.
Hey, dude.
Use all the googly
I hope we
eyes.
don't need any googly eyes.
Hey. Okay, Mom, it's your turn.
Okay, it's my turn. Activator, I need you.
Green paint. That's gonna look nasty.
It is. I already look kind of crazy over here.
And mine just look like grape. But
This is healthy.
how is it slime?
We have to mix it.
You have to mix it, and then you have to get
Some other ingredients.
some other
Some secret ingredients that we're not gonna share with our fans.
No.
It's my turn.
Ugh, this looks disgusting.
It
It
looks very festive and creative.
It's your turn.
Yellow.
Yellow paint. All right, let's go.
You are so dramatic. OMG.
There you go.
There you go.
It looks like crazy. I
Can't even tell you added it in there. Well, it makes a little grayish looking, I guess. Let's do the slime reveal. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Wow!
This is really gooey.
Mine is great.
So this is what slime is like, huh?
Yeah. So
I've never made slime in my life. I've never played with it.
yeah. So let's check out Goo Goo Gaga's first. So Goo Goo Gaga's, show us your slide, dude. It's very blue. What's else in it?
Eyeballs.
You have eyeballs and pink and purple glitter. It looked like a galaxy. You have a galaxy in your hands, dude. That's cool. Can you-
Mine is like blueberry sour apple.
blueberry sour apple.
That's new.
Yeah, look at that. That's
It's good. It's two different
Can you
flavors.
pick it up and stretch it? Goo Goo Gaga. Stretch it.
Woo, look at those muscles.
Do you have to make the sound effects when you stretch it? Okay, let's look at Mom's.
I think it's attacking me.
It's attacking you. It's taking to your hand.
It's taking over
It's
my
alive. That's cool. So what's in your slime, Mom?
I have gold glitter and blue glitter and green glitter. I have beads and googly eyes.
That's like me.
Yeah, I see the beads in it.
Yeah, you can't see any of the googly eyes. I don't think. I'm trying to see
can
if I
see
can find one.
Yeah, the Google eyes are camouflaged.
Yeah, they're camouflaged in here. Can't see any. I think I have a little paint in here.
Okay,
but I don't remember.
cool. All right, Zizi Kid, show us yours, dude. What's in yours? Stretch it. Pick it up and stretch it. Whoa, that's giant. Can you pick it up and stretch it? It looks like an octopus. Whoa,
It's cool though.
it's super cool. So what's in your slime, Zizi Kid? Googly eyes.
Blue eyes.
Well, what about the glitter? What kind of glitter
And
do you
mine
have?
looks like a snake.
Purple glitter.
Purple.
I see.
Who do you think had the best slime? Comment below. Bye, subscribe.
Hi kids! Thank you for watching Zizi Kids TV. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos. What are you